One of the most important financial decisions you can make is determining what you will do for your career. In this chapter, we will discuss career planning and other information related to your paycheck. There are many questions to consider when choosing your career. What are your strengths and talents? What is a way you can make an impact on the world? It is important to consider the average salary of the career you want to enter. Your income will impact your financial decisions and planning. What will your salary be? Another question asked often is, what is the difference between gross salary and net salary? Gross salary is the stated amount of your salary. Your net salary is your take-home pay, all the funds remaining after all taxes and withholdings have been accounted for. Another question to consider is what benefits are offered to employees of a company. Benefits are services and insurance your employer provides you for being their employee. If health and dental insurance are not included in your benefits package, you will need to specifically budget for those expenses. Other questions include, what opportunities are available for advancement and pay raises? And how much time and money will you spend commuting to your job? Each of these questions must be considered when you are investigating your career and the various companies you can work for. What are taxes, and what are the different types of taxes you will pay? Taxes are involuntary fees levied on individuals or corporations and enforced by a government entity, whether local, state, or federal, in order to finance government activities. Taxes help to pay for schools, roads, and other public goods you receive in your everyday life. You pay state and federal taxes or withholdings. Knowing what you pay in taxes will help you budget your money. There are 3 types of taxes you will be assessed. Property tax is a locally assessed tax collected by the counties. The rate differs on a county-by-county basis. Sales tax is paid on anything you purchase. This includes food, clothing, furniture, etc. You will also pay income tax. Federal income tax is based on your annual income. North Carolina has a flat income tax rate. This rate will vary by state. If you reside in North Carolina, you will pay both state and federal income tax. Now, let's take some time to understand your pay stub you will receive from your employer. First, we begin with your gross income. This is the amount of money you make before taxes. Next, we see your net income. This is the income you take home after all withholdings. The federal income tax is the amount of taxes collected by the federal government on your income. State income tax is noted next. This denotes the flat rate income tax deducted by North Carolina. The federal government requires you to pay Social Security to entitle you to receive a monthly Social Security payment upon retirement. If you do not pay into Social Security or try to lower the amount of taxes you pay, the less you will draw from Social Security. The current rate will vary. Every employee pays 1.45% into Medicare as mandated by the federal government. Your year-to-date section shows how much you have paid toward a particular withholding at any point in the calendar year. Additional items on your pay stub can include insurance, retirement, leave time, child care assistance, and other important notices. Your career is one of the most important decisions you will make in your life. As you move forward in the decision-making process, be mindful of the financial aspect of the choices you make. True or false? Gross salary is your take-home pay. What are the different types of taxes you will be assessed? Property tax, sales tax, income tax, or all of the above? Which questions are important to ask regarding your career? What are your strengths and talents? What is the average salary of your career? Or both? Blank are services and insurance your employer provides you for being their employee. Stock options, employee benefits, paid time off.